Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Patty. I do fashion and beauty videos every Thursday and Sunday. Now today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a Urban Decay party that I attended. I got some goodies I'm going to share with you guys. I'm also going to share outfit details from that day. And I just realized my eye makeup matches the bag. That was totally unintentional. Totally unintentional, guys. So if you want to hear more about my time with Urban Decay and what I got in this goodie bag, then keep watching. All right, so Urban Decay was on tour this summer and they were pretty much traveling through different states. I love Urban Decay so much. It's one of my favorite brands. They have so many good products. I've been using a few of their products for a very long time now, and I was very excited to be invited by them. In the nature of my job working with fashion and beauty brands, when I get invited to these things, it's a very humble opportunity for me, and I'm very excited. So the event was in downtown DC in a local bar. It was so much fun because I got to meet so many new beauty bloggers. That's kind of one of my favorite things about going to events, is kind of meeting new people, especially from this area. I kind of consider myself new to the DC area. I mean, I've been here now for about 3-4 years, but I lived in New York my entire life, so coming down here and meeting new bloggers was always like a big thing for me. I went to the event with my fellow blogger bestie, Marisol. If you guys follow me on social media at Patty's_closet, then you see her in my stories all the time. She's my blogger bestie. There was music, there was food. I got to meet a lot of the team from the Urban Decay family. It was a really good time. I love that group shot that we took in the end with all the influencers that they invited. It was so much fun. In the event, they were promoting their all-nighter setting spray. I've used that before and I love that thing. That thing sets your makeup for such a long time. It's called all-nighter for a reason. So now let's talk about my outfit. I wore a red jumpsuit with a pearl headband, and that headband is like my absolute favorite accessory of the summer. I had just bought it around that time of the event, and that thing was a hit in the event. I mean, everybody in the room asked me about that headband. I guess that was a good icebreaker to go ahead and mingle with people. I wore it with my Mark Andrew bag that I wear all the time, and I wore it with some Zappo sandals. I wanted to be comfortable, but yet stylish. This was such a great look for the event. Now here comes my favorite part, the unboxing part. So this was the goodie bag that we received, all the influencers received at the end of the night, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and share it with you guys. So first up in the bag, it's a t-shirt that says UD on it, and on the back it has all the states that they were touring. And there's San Diego, Portland, Austin, Orlando. They pretty much went to a lot of states. This shirt feels comfy, and I'm definitely gonna wear this in the house. Since I work from home, I love wearing graphic tees to work from home, or I can use it to go to bed. All right, and next up here, this is like a makeup case. And there's a few things inside. All right, so the first thing here, this is their Provision waterproof volumizing mascara. The packaging is really cute. It has kind of like water drops on it. You can almost like feel it on the packaging. And this is what the wand looks like. I've never tried any of the mascaras from Urban Decay, so I'm very excited to see how this one works for me. And next up is their Vice lipstick, and I actually have one of their Vice lipsticks. It's like a pink rosy color. I don't remember the name, but I wear that one all the time. I think 90% of my videos here, when you guys see it, if it's a pink lipstick, it's definitely one of their Vice lipsticks. The color that they sent here, this one is Back Talk, and it's a matte lipstick. Again, the packaging is very sleek, and this is what the color looks like. It looks very similar to the pink that I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and swatch it here. I'm a big fan of their lipsticks. I've tried their liquid lipsticks and I've tried this one, and I'm obsessed with their lipsticks. And next is their brow guide. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so these are like stencils, and it has like a shape of the eyebrow. This is very good if you're kind of like a beginner and kind of filling in your brows and can't figure out a shape. This is actually a pretty good idea, pretty good product if you're learning how to fill in your eyebrows and get a good shape. There is a ton of these stencils here, and I'm actually going to try these. Okay, and last but not least in the box, it's this box. I'm telling you guys, this is just such a coincidence that my makeup matches the Urban Decay colors. I swear it was not planned, but I'm liking this theme, this purple theme I have going on here. So this is the long lasting makeup setting spray, the All Nighter. They went ahead and put two here. There's two different sizes. The packaging is so cute. I'm a big sucker for great packaging when it comes to makeup. Some people don't care about that. They just care about the product. But for me, I think it's all a part of the presentation. It all matters to me. Let's go ahead and open one of them just so you guys can see what the bottle looks like. Whoa. So this is what the bottle looks like. Kind of looks like a spray can. And like I said, I used this before. It's a very great mist, especially during the summer. This is very, very good. It holds up your makeup for a very long time. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a little spray. Guys, this is so refreshing, so good. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you like Urban Decay and which Urban Decay products are your favorite. Comment down below so we can chat. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below for you guys. There's a new video here every Thursday and every Sunday. And you can follow me on social media at Patties_closet. You can see more fashion and more beauty stuff there. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.